status of the Strait of Hormuz has changed, perhaps forever. To show you why and how that matters, I need a different map and I need a larger desk. Okay, we have a larger desk, and now let me get the proper chart. This is a nautical chart, industry standard, UK Admiralty. If you were on the bridge of one of the oil tankers inside the Persian Gulf, probably you will be looking exactly at this map. Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz is critical for global energy supply. Around 20% of the world's oil comes through the Strait of Hormuz. Around 25% of the world's LNG, liquefied natural gas, also comes through the Strait of Hormuz. Let me show you why it's critical and how narrow it is at the narrowest point, which is here. We have Iran to the north, Oman to the south, and although the strait looks a bit wider, in reality what matters is this area here. This is the traffic separation scheme, sort of a highway inside the sea. This is the lane that goes into the Persian Gulf. This is the lane that comes out of the Persian Gulf, and in between is a buffer area which is shaded. Each of these lanes is about 2 miles wide. It is very, very narrow at that point. And now the United States and Iran are fighting for who and how that's going to be controlled. Since the beginning of the war, the strait has been closed. And on social media, the Iranian Supreme Leader, Ayatollah Khamenei, and the President of the United States, Donald Trump, are fighting about what's going to happen next. My belief is that the status of the strait will change during the negotiations, because at the moment very little is flowing through the strait, and the Iranians are suggesting that things need to change immediately. They have distributed this map. Sorry, they have issued only on white, on black and white. It shows here, it's a close-up of the area that I was showing you earlier. This area here is what I have now magnified on the screen. Oman is here. This is the Iranian coast. And the old shipping lanes are here in blue, in and out. What the Iranians are telling the industry is that these areas should not be used because there is danger. They have been planting anti-ship mines, and therefore it needs to be avoided. What they are suggesting instead